Hello everyone, welcome to the Tech Guy, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button if you are new to this channel. So if you are new to this channel, kindly do me a favor and hit the subscribe button. So hit the subscribe button for me. So with this video, I'll be talking about how to get a 10% discount on all your airtime purchase on all networks. So you get to buy airtime and bundles at a cheap price. So first of all, make sure you have downloaded the Fido app. Make sure you have downloaded the Fido app. The app is available for both Android users and iPhone users. So you can go to App Store or Google Play Store, or you can check. I'll be putting the link in the description below. You can just tap on that and it will send you directly to the app for you to download. So download the Fido app. So already I have downloaded mine and sign up. So signing up is as easy as 1, 2, 3. So currently sign up. So after you have signed up, you'll be having a dashboard like this, and you realize in here there is a section called Top Up with Fido. So with that section, you realize there is airtime, data, and pay bills. So you just have to select the one that you want. So if you want airtime, you select airtime. If you want data, you select data. So let's select airtime. In here, realizing here, you will get 10% discount, and you get to improve your Fido score. So with that, you can even apply for a loan through this app. So you just have to select the particular network that you are sending the airtime to. So let me say I'm sending to Vodafone, and you type in the number 050. You type in any number you are sending the airtime to. Then you enter in the amount. So when I try to purchase an airtime of 10 cedis, I'll pay 9 cedis. So that's how the 10% is. So any amount that you try to buy, there will be a 10% discount. So if you're trying to buy 100 cedis, you pay 90 cedis. You realize in here, amount to pay is 90 cedis. So with this, you just confirm, and a prompt will be sent. You just confirm, and a prompt will be sent to your number for you to confirm. So after we are done with the confirmation. After you're done with the confirmation, that's it. The airtime will be sent to that particular number at a discount price. So if you love this video, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button. And another tip for you guys, please make sure you add a payment method. Make sure you add a payment method. You can tap on the profile section and you add the payment method. So in here, you can add your number. You can add your number that you'll be using for making payments. So that's all for today. And don't forget to subscribe and also like this video and share to your loved ones. See you next time and see you on the other side.